Yabona the death of this boy who died in Western Cape. Like Ntlamulo's death is ruffling my feathers because I see the comments in people's videos, and especially in Ntlamulo's mother's video and Malema's videos, ne? Like ikaring ka itahlela fats. Like ngathi angazi nikhonya mlenze man, nikhonya mlenze, ukhonye omlenze wanga. Like guys, I'm so upset. Like I'm shaking. Because in my head, I'm like, why doesn't Malema go with these foreigners that he's fighting so hard for, that he has to divide the South Africans? Like he has to put a rift between people from Limpopo and people from KZN. Like, why does he have to do that? Why does he want us to fight so desperately so that he can distract us from... Guys, I'm even asking myself, it's my opinion, like it's my question. I'm just questioning this whole Malema agenda. What is the EFF included? Like, are they benefiting from these drugs and the human trafficking and the selling of body organs in the black market? Because you can't hate us this much as South Africans. And to you guys who are busy making videos, I even carry my ID because silly people are gonna kill me. We know how Venda people sound, my dear. We know how Tsonga people sound. And we can differentiate between a Tsonga person from South Africa and a Tsonga person from Mozambique. We know the difference between a Ndebele from South Africa and a Ndebele from Zimbabwe. Don't start. Don't do that. I'm telling you right now, there was a time when taxi drivers from Johannesburg, CBD, to Soweto, they didn't want to carry foreigners in their taxis anymore. They were tired. And they would ask people about themselves. And trust and believe, there is no Venda or Tsonga that was told to not ride a taxi. My friend is Venda. I get so upset real quick when people start this tribalistic nonsense. Because the death of this boy, he died being a criminal. Can that clock into your head? Ipara belio Georgia. It had nothing to do with him being Tsonga. We all know in South Africa that in the poor townships, where there is poverty and there is no police response, the minute you commit a crime, you are going to get mob justice. And the family that you are attacking to defend themselves, they are going to kill you. It's natural. It happens all the time. It has nothing to do with him being Tsonga. So now, like, my anger issues are up there. If you're still a follower of Julius Malema, for sure, if you're still under the EFF, I'm not even political, but this time I have to include the EFF. If you're still following these people, there's something wrong about you. It's either you're benefiting from our country being messed up, or your brain cells don't work. Either of the two, there's something happening with you. I'm so angry, guys. Like,
I'm a fighter. Bana bantate mahlafuna. Ai le hloka nnete o tshwana le ntatalo. Le hloka nnete o tshwana le ntatalo. Lina le double standard. Mazwi ana when Mazwi was missing for almost a month. When he was found and there was a press conference done on that, a tweet came out that your leader, that Mahlafuna, retweeted, saying Uguti Mazwi faked his own death. Not death, he faked his own kidnapping. Your leader retweeted that nonsense. Nyakumbul. Once again, need to know Amapoisa Kulmama. I mean, Amapoisa, they spoke, but he was not in a good shape when he was found. Nabanye were in that press conference. Including a female, I'm talking about independent people that assess the situation. Yagamas, when they were in the press conference. Yeah, by interview, female, got to a female as Uncle Megaku. Talk about a press conference. Natu Mazwi faked his own kidnapping. Angaz Mkhambu Iliantuan, Usina Otam, Liantuan in a shoot. I can't remember who tweeted that thing. Now, I push at this thing. You are so much against ukuthi laba bantu kumele ukuthi bahambe. Why are you so, you would rather ukuthi kuliwe la here in the country rather than ukuthi laba bantu ukuthi bahambe mafight bana bantu athi mahlafuna. Hayi bafowethu, namanje amaphoyisa ayakhuluma ukuthi hayi le ntwana beganga le, yena nomngani wakhe bebeganga labafu. The police said that we are believing the mother. Nakhona futhi anivumi. Iqiniso ayikho kulento yenu le. Lento yenu le ifile lento yenu that is called EFF. Ifile ngempela. Anayo iqiniso. You are not fighting for what is right and what is true. Nabafikela kangaka labantu ukufika abafethu kwenze njani? Yini nika ngabo? Nika ngabo labantu ukufika abafethu. Yini bayani sponsorisha? Nikhulume namaPakistani, nikhulume namaSomali. Yini kangaka bafethu? Yini engaka bafethu ukufikela abantu bokufika? Ukundlula ama-South Africans ukuthi no laba bantu kumele bahambe, they need to go home and go and fix your country. I mean their countries. Kake umthetho wenu, you are so much indoctrinated and what's the word that I'm looking for? Yeah, you are so much indoctrinated, brainwashed. That's what I'm looking for. By Ntataluna Mashafuna, who must go to jail, by the way, because he will lie. Go to know it. That was a toy gun. Who is a lawmaker? You are led by someone who's a lawmaker who breaks the law. Akiri once said that he's a lawmaker. Yes, he sits in serious portfolio committees in parliament. He's a lawmaker. He once said that even in ad hoc committee, I'm a lawmaker. Proudly so. Answering someone or making a comment. But he's a lawmaker who breaks the law. Very unprincipled. And this is supposed to be a person that leads you. Your standard of integrity as ama millions and followers and those that support Ubab Mashafuna is very low. Ladies and gentlemen, the agenda yenu bafethu sesibonile as South Africans angesivu. And you know what is the irony about this whole thing? Isn't it? The irony ukuthi wathola yena nomngani wakhe illegally in someone else's property. Illegal, yeah, because they were found. The owner of Umkuk, the owner of the shack found them. They were busy, unloading whatever. As according to the police, they were busy with some things. They were taking some things out. So they were illegal in someone else's territory. What an irony of this whole thing. They were illegal in someone else's Mkuku. And you wanted to pin this clear-cut criminal thing, to pin it to match and match. It had nothing to do with them. How low can you stoop, Buffett? Good. How low will you go? Mana bafowethu angeke umele usidile nani with votes ukuthi iphume iphele lento yama EFF ngeke. And then we are still coming to the thing yakavuyo Zungulu ukuthi we want to know how many people are dual citizenship in parliament. We also want to know how many people are naturalized citizens who have dual citizenship in our parliament. Any infiltration anywhere, sivele singene siyeza nalapho. We are still coming to that one. Zazokhala ngempela, seyiqalile ngempela.
I remember ndisanxiba le uniform. Andihlezi nje ndikwi-mood yo-attacker umuntu noma ngaba kenzanga next. Ndihlezi ndikwi-mood yoku-disrespect elders. Izabutata uRamaphosa ngoRamaphosa, abutata uZuma ngoZuma. At a young age, just imagine ndimncane kanjani. Angisiboni isidingo sokuhlonipha abantu abadala. Hleze funwa nje explaina nje like akunasidingo into icacile uhlezi nje ufuna explaina. Guys, ufuna ukutrenda, ufuna ukwemude yokusuwa someone, ukwemude yokuvula icase for somebody nje just for le uniform nje. Yayihlezi nginikeza nje lo vibe nje. Good people. Izabutata just imagine amaxhego abantu utata uRobert ngamagama Robert at a young age. This uniform ikunika lo power nje ukuthi uthi forte Donald Trump forte. Then I started to realize ukuthi no. Ayikhona. This is not me, man. And xa uqeda ukuyikhulula uzolala uba yi-1 ekhaya. Zibuye zonke into uqeda ukuzenza the whole day because wena uyi-revolutionist, wena uyi-fighter, wena especially umntana okhuliswe ecaweni njengami. Zibuye zonke imfundiso zakokwenu zikukhuze. Akakafiki umuntu ozokhuza ngeso sikhathi. Ukhuzwa nje izimfundiso zakokwenu. Isazela sikuhle. I was like every day ndiyohlezi ndifila so, ndiyohlezi ndifila guilty kanje. Just because kumele ndi-impress uMalema. That guy is a millionaire, mina I have nothing most. And there's not even anything ebonisa ukuthi lo muntu lona ngasuka esikhundleni ukuthi nathi sonke sithole opportunity or sibone umuntu omncane eba yi-president kule EFF. I was like no bro. Instead I'm creating enemies for myself. Indlela iba ncane for mina because now family members now are no longer interested in anything that I say, in anything that, because it's a violence all the way. If it's not a violence, I'm ready to sue anyone. But mina ndihlezi ngithuka abantu. Ayikhona bafethu. Hayi khuzani madoda kuyonakala ngeke. Khuzani. South Africa is for South Africans. We put South Africans first. Simile lapho. And anything that is threatening their lives, siyayisusa manje, siya-clean country.
Nisho EFF yalapha eSouth Africa vele. Nisho guys. EFF guys. Ngabantu bokufika. Bethimbe uBhutmazwe. Bemthimbela ishop. Zange kube khona omunye umuntu we-EFF wayekhona kulona. Now kukho umntana uTlamuro ebeyoqhekeza eCape Town. Wabanjwa ngumnikazi wendawo wambethe wambulala. Uthi umama kaTlamuro umntana wakhe ubulawe ngumntana womXhosa. Embulalela lento ethetha ilanguage yakhe engafaki include isiZulu kwinto ayithethayo oko xa ethetha. Kuthi umama wakhe uthi umbulalela loo nto la mntana. Then i-EFF ime ngeenyawo ide isigxotha nasesikolweni. Ipost yabo ethi uthi umXhosa nomZulu ngefo fanele agoduke. Inyani yaphuma emapoliseni uba uTlamulo akabulewelanga loo nto lo reason ebeyoqhekeza. Njengoba ke ngoku sebethathe ii-actions ezingaka for babonyelise i-Eastern Cape ne-KZN kuthiwani ngaloo nto because inyani ngoku seyivelile. And unobangela woba umama kaTlamulo athethe laa nto yoba umntana wakhe ubulaweleni wayengathethi ethethi language yakhe oko ibiyintoni? Sithi nesizathu loo nto saze safa. So guys, ithini into ye-shut down so that ngala Thursday sizogodwa sisuka singafela nithini nge-shutdown yenu?
Propaganda is a global about. What's the propaganda? Is a global about. They are trying so hard, the minions, Square X and everywhere, to push this propaganda. Yeah, they are 19-year-old in Hlamulo. The police have given their statement. And we still condemn. We condemn any form of violence. And we condemn them with harshest terms possible. That there shouldn't be any violence. There shouldn't be any killing. There shouldn't be any abuse. There shouldn't be any criminal activities. That side of Mossel Bay looks like things are getting out of hand. But misinformation is being used, propaganda is being used against the good recourse, against the good intention, and you want to defeat the purpose. You won't win, Bafanas. Minions, you're not going to win. You are all clowns, just like your leader. All of you are clowns. Like your leader is a clownish person. He's not winning in this. You can keep on calling him a prophet. Hey, he prophesied. He prophesied nonsense. You guys fall for everything. Or say you're so gullible. Gullible. Open your eyes, man. Use those brains of yours. And you are just brained for nothing. Oh, guys, the 30 bahamba labantu bonke aba illegal. I know the 30 bona batshwantse ka moka ga bona re ba asharile out. Bona the protest will be protest and protest within the confines of the law, so that all those who are illegal can leave. We are not going to be derailed and then deferred to by other people who are pushing their own propaganda to try and dissolve us. Lipalage. Minions, your attempt didn't pass. And what pisses me the most is that in Northwest, there's an activist who was killed by foreigners. You didn't make a noise. There's someone else who was killed, go Potchefstroom, an activist as well. You didn't make the noise. There are children who were found kidnapped. You didn't make the noise. Drugs or illicit drugs are found to be coming into the country and intercepted. You're not making the noise. Yalla nonsense, you minions. All of you combined with your leader, you're nonsense. And there's nothing you can do. Actually, you should live with these people. Because you want to divide this country in the name of tribalism. There's no tribalism in this country. There's no Zulus who are tribal. You are just pushing propaganda. You are the one who's a tribalist together with your minions. Where now you know yourself. And now you are trying to use that to divide and conquer. You won't win. We are more than ever united. Zulus are my brother. Pedi, yes I am. Xhosas are my brothers and sisters. Tsongas are my brothers and sisters. Vendas are my brothers and sisters. Everyone. Bona, you name them. Tswanas, Ndebele, Swati, Sutus. You name them. They are our brothers and sisters. The mandate is clear. Guys, go home. You who are illegal. We're not saying all foreigners go home. And I'm sure foreigners who are legal, they are quiet, they're enjoying their popcorns, they're enjoying their everything that they are doing because it's business as usual. Lina, you who are not legal in this country, who are undocumented, stop playing victims. The situation is no longer desirable for you, it's no longer suitable for you. So please go home and we'll talk after we have sorted out our government. You are not actually the target, you guys. We're not targeting you. That's why we are saying nicely, let's usher you guys out to go home. The target is the government. The government is the one with the problem. These so-called big mouth airheads politicians that are making noise on the media are the ones that needs to fall, are the ones that we need to deal with, are the ones that we want to sort them out, are the ones that we want to expose. So you are not the big fish, you guys. We are asking for space for you guys to go home. Let's deal with these nonsensical politicians that are so crooked. So please, understand our call. Understand our plea with you. Siyangcela, hambani emakhaya. When you are legal, it's fine. When you are illegal, please, Clemona. Clemona, please, you are lost. You are in a wrong country. You have actually violated the constitution of this country, violated the laws of this country by entering the border through illegal means. So go home. We're not even saying be arrested. You should actually be arrested, guys. But we are saying no. We understand, but go home. Go home. Hambani emakhaya. Let's deal with these ones who are just nonsensical people calling themselves leaders. Yes, sis. Don't believe Shagudulina Mara. Hambani bafethu. We want to deal with our politicians.
Yeah, like I can see that Malema, he's trying to use Limpopo to fight his battles. And as Limpopians, we mustn't allow that. We mustn't allow that. That's why there was this video he said, once they are done with those people, they are coming for Shangani. So they saw an opportunity to use Nhlamulo's death to act like what he was saying is true. And that's not true. Those Zulu people who are doing march and march here in Gauteng, they are not fighting anyone. They are fighting for illegal people. And I always tell people, okay, if I came across those people, as Mopedi, like I can't speak fluent Zulu. Like if I try to speak Zulu, you will laugh. But if I try to speak Zulu and they said, no, when are you a foreigner? They said, no, where is your ID? I will produce it. Why should I deny it? Because I know that I'm a South African. There's no need for me to fight. Or no, I'm a South African. Why should I produce my ID? I have to produce it so that they can see or I'm a South African. So this agenda here, like EFF is they want to use, it won't work. It won't work at all. Guys, let's not lose focus. March and march, forward we go. Kadi 30, we fight for our country. This thing, Tsonga people, Venda people, they are black. There are Zulu people who are black. There are Xhosa people who are black. There are Tswana, Basotho, or like they are black. It doesn't matter. So this thing are tribalist, guys. If they're gonna use it to divide us, let's fight. Let's unite. 9 provinces. If we come together, these politicians, they are nothing without us. They are nothing without us. We have power to control this South Africa. So when they want to use this tribalism, Malema, they were like onyachiche black Limpopians, like to him, weak people. That's why he's using them. Or no, he's trying to say to us, or no, the way they are ugly, people will assume they are foreigners. That's how I see it. To him, Tsonga people, they look like Zimbabweans, they look like Mozambican, they look like Ghanaian. So Tsonga people, please, that's an insult. Malema Olubon, why he didn't make an example ka Xhosa people are after that they are coming for you. But instead, he picked up Tsonga people and say they're gonna come for you because of they will think you are a Zimbabwean. So according to Yena, Olubona is Zimbabwean. That's why he doesn't take you serious. I don't have a problem with Tsonga people. I can speak Tsonga. I don't have problem with Venda people. I can speak Venda. I don't have a problem with Zulu. I can't speak proper Zulu. Because I don't know it, but I like the language. So guys, let's unite. Let's unite. Forget about EFF members. Don't lose focus. Forward we go, march and march.
Habi. Hey, lo bhuti hayi. Hayi yabo bafana bengikholelwa mina kulomjida lona. Beyithi mangimuzwa nje evula umlomo, ngibona ukuthi siya kudeke, si South Africa lalo muntu. Yabo. Ngibona ukuthi nje siya kude nalo bhuti. Hayi manje hayi. Futhi le yokuhanjiswa kwabantu okufika ngibona ngathi iyona emlimaza kakhulu einhlelweni zakhe. Einhlelweni zakhe yena yedwa nje iyamphazamisa kakhulu kuzona zonke inhlelo zakhe anazo. Ezi personal zakhe hayi zezwe. Hayi ezi interest yakhe yena ezumalema. Iyamphazamisa kakhulu lento. Sezame ngayo yonke indlela wafeyila. Manje uyabona ukuthi lento uyafeyila, kushoda ukuthi akhale, mhlawumbe ebusuku uyakhala mayelele ukuthi kambe kungenzeka njani nje kuvuka ekseni nje sokungathi akukho lutho okwenzekayo. Lapho ngeke iphupho lamampunge, lelo ke iphupho lenyongo. Sebonile ukuthi uyahluleka manje, sesebenzisa esinye strategy, usesebenzisa abantu bangakube Limpopo ukuthi khona bezoba nenzondo nayo yonke lento eyenzakalayo. Uthi ke manje bagadeni labantu laba njengoba begxosha abantu bokufika, into ezokwenzeka bazothi mangabe beqeda lapho bese bebona wena mhlawumbe uyishangani laseGiyani, bakuzwe nje bengakuzwa kahle ukhuluma uthini, bese beyagxosha betiphindela kini. Asizona idomu ngaleyo ndlela bo. Asizona nje idomu. Obuka ama leader nje ale march and march, obuka laba bantu ukuthi akuzona idomu leziyana. Akuzona nje, akuzona idomu. Kahle asizona nje idomu. Uyabo. Manje usebenzisa leso strategy ukusidivide as ama South Africans ukuze singaba nawo amandla, ngoba lento kufanele isabalale kuwona wonke ama province wo9. Yabo. Wo9. So uzama ngayo yonke indlela yabo, mayeke wakhipha Limpopo uzozama mhlawumbe iMpumalanga, ngaleyo ndlela azozama ngamazozama kanjani, kodwa uyazama kodwa yamhlula lento lena abafana bakithi. Habe.
Mzansi, welcome to Mkosi waseMzansi. South Africans are calling out Julius Malema ngokupusha his own narrative about Nhlanhla Sampos death. So Julius Malema uloku reposta ma-post abantu labathi Nhlanhla was deleted by members of a march and march because ufuna kuthiwe nginitshelile nge-march and march ukuthi akusindo le right ke lana icosha ama-foreigners. We all know ukuthi Malema is defending foreigners ngoba angenda noma ngabe yini to drag igama le-march and march down, igama labo Jacinta Buphakela Mthakathi nabo Ngizwe Mchunu down because akafuni nokubabona. Ngisho sekatshelwa ukuthi mfana ubanjwe emkhukhwini ayontshontshwa, yena still ufuna ukustika kusakhe story. So kwenda ama-members e-march and march abuke nje abantu lababi. So people are calling him out ukuthi olumenemene futhi ukhohlakele. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.